Success is often misunderstood. It's not a one big achievement that you see. It's a result of many small actions you take for a long period of time. Here we present to you 20 success habits that will shape 2023 in a better way. Let's begin with habit number 1. Start with health. What's more precious than a happy and a healthy life? Now, health has 3 parts: physical, mental, spiritual. The first thing to choose is mental health. Taking rests, spending some free time, laughing more, being solution-oriented, being aware of your thoughts, doing something you love. All these things add positivity to your mind. Then comes physical health, which is about walking, regular exercising, quality sleep, drinking enough water, and eating healthy. Spiritual health is spending some time reading spiritual books or watching videos, knowing yourself better and recognizing yourself as awareness beyond the person. These 3 pillars give you a healthy life. Habit 2. Upscale your wealth game. Money matters, and life will teach you that. It's a powerful tool of exchange that happens every single day. Wealth is a give and take game. If you can give your best skill or idea, you will get the best returns. Also, you should include the habits of saving and investing into your life. Habit 3. Climbing the relationship ladder. Having a deep, meaningful relationship with nature, humans, animals, and everything around you is the secret sauce to success. Find ways to go outdoors, talk to the people you love, give a tight hug to the trees, observe nature, and feed animals and birds. Small choices of love will give a big satisfaction to your soul. Habit 4. Having a solution-oriented mindset. The ultimate success habit is knowing the route to solution. This requires you to slowly shift from complaining to understanding. And that's how you can solve problems to restore mental peace. This is so important because we often get trapped in the web of confusion, not knowing what to do. But keeping hope for a solution can show you the way to freedom. Habit 5. More value to time. The best skill you can learn is utilizing the time you have, but don't pressurize yourself. Fall in love with every moment knowing that it's your time to give life to the fullest. You can make a priority list every day to note the things you should do and leave rest of the time for relaxation and doing anything you love to do. You can make your own strategy to use time wisely. Habit 6. Fight for the right. Being good is good, but tolerating the bad is not good. Whenever you feel something is wrong and you have to speak, please speak. Staying quiet is not always healthy, as people may think you're weak. Keep fire and water equally balanced within you. Habit 7. Upgrade your personality. A powerful success habit is showing your personality to the world. But wait, does that mean you have to show off? No. Just express the real you. Keep learning and getting better in the way you speak, walk, behave, and think. These little things will reveal the personality you have. Habit 8. Jump from doubt to confidence. Doubt shows that you need clarity and knowledge in something. Confidence comes when you gain that clarity. Be yourself. Follow the right steps of doing something and watch your confidence rise high in the sky. Habit 9. Facing your fears. All of us have some fearful story inside us. Our thoughts may make us feel worried about something. But note that running away is not the solution. It will only intensify the fear the next time. See what's troubling you, understand the situation, and you will understand where the solution lies. Habit 10. Giving value to solitude. Spending time with yourself is a wonderful thing to do. If you can be happy with yourself, you can also enjoy time with others. It's a powerful habit that gives you the opportunity to know yourself better. And it's a beautiful thing to observe life, nature, and everything else being alone. Try it and you will love it. Habit 11. Share and release. One of the best ways to release stress is sharing your emotions with someone. There was a time when we thought keeping everything limited to ourselves is a sign of strength. We were wrong. Bottling up your emotions is like keeping the pressure cooker work day and night. You should share things with your friends, families, and close ones to feel lighter and find hope for solution. Habit 12. Having the balanced state. On one side, there is over-stress, and on the other side, we have over-laziness. Between the two extremes, you will find balance. This is the place where success becomes possible. You should do your work and live your life in a balanced way. Habit 13. Increasing the power of love. Love is the ultimate healer. It is the greatest gift of God to souls. If you can send love to everyone and everything through your words, thoughts, and actions, nothing like that. Your life also gets better following the path of love. Help others and inspire them to help more people. This way, we can make love reach in every corner of the world. Habit 14. Understanding life's boring part. Sometimes, we do the same things again and again in our lives. And that's boring for sure. You must think about changing the way you live, doing something exciting or trying something new to add fun to your life. Habit 15. Seeing from a non-biased angle. A powerful sign of a successful person is being non-biased. If you can see the situation as it is, you are more likely to understand things clearly. Being biased never makes you see the other side of the story. Habit 16. Less judgmental, more happy. The habit of judging everyone and everything makes you feel like something is wrong. And this feeling keeps you away from happiness. Say what you have to say, but stop thinking negative about somebody or judging people day and night. Non-judgment is an art that gives birth to heroes. And you can be one of them. Habit 17. Replace pressure with flow. Doing things under pressure may seem compulsory. What if there is a better way? When you get into a flow state, improvement happens naturally. A singer singing a song may get lost in his own magic, gets into a flow and wins everyone's hearts. If you can do your work with passion, you don't need pressure. Habit 18. More time with nature. Nature is a wonderful healer. Sometimes, all you need is some free time to be amidst trees, butterflies, and animals. Mother Nature cares for you and rejuvenates your soul effectively. Habit 19. Simplifying your life. Making your life simple yet lively is an art. You can do all that you want one at a time without creating a mess. So always think how you can make your life simple. You will start getting answers. Habit 20. More smile and positivity. Just do one thing. For the next 15 seconds, smile. Just do it. Don't think. And after doing this, you will start feeling a little better. Smiling is a habit you should always include for a happy, successful life. It is that secret glamour that pulls people toward you. A positive mind always wins respect, care, and love. Thank you so much for listening to this podcast. We have a powerful self-improvement playlist at the iCard. Also, share it with your friends to give them a positive listening experience. Let life shine bright.